Elementary 3. Importance of learning languages. Nowadays, learning a foreign language is more important than ever. Most people want to learn English because it is used in business, science, and tourism. When you know another language, you can communicate with people from different cultures. This helps you understand the world better. Also, it is very helpful for your brain. Studies show that learning a language improves your memory and thinking skills. I started learning English 2 years ago. At first, it was very difficult to understand native speakers. However, I practice every day by watching videos and reading short stories. Now I can speak more confidently. Next year, I want to start learning Spanish because I want to travel to South America. It is not always easy to learn a language, but it is definitely worth the effort.